Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an Airbnb account. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Airbnb website to get you set up quickly and confidently, and I'll point out what to look for on each screen so you know you're in the right place. Start by opening your web browser and going to Airbnb.com. Once the homepage loads, move your attention to the top right corner. You should see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. If your window is narrow or you're on a smaller screen, this icon helps keep options tucked away. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your browser window or looking for a menu or profile icon in the same area. Click the 3 lines to open the menu. A panel will slide out or a drop-down will appear with several options. From here, choose Login or Sign Up. This takes you to a sign-in window where you can either create a brand new account or access an existing one. On this screen, you'll have a few choices. You can enter your details to create an account using an email address or a mobile number, or you can use a single sign-on option such as Continue with Google. Using a connected account can speed things up and reduce the number of fields you need to type. If you prefer using an email, pick that option and follow the prompts. If you choose a third-party sign-in like Google, a small window may appear asking you to select an account and confirm permissions. Make sure pop-up blockers aren't preventing that window from opening. Next, follow the on-screen procedure. Airbnb may ask for basic profile information, and you may be asked to verify your email or phone with a short code. Enter accurate details, review any terms presented, and complete the confirmation step. If a code doesn't arrive within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder, or request a new code. Keeping your phone nearby will help if 2-step verification is required. When everything is confirmed, you'll be redirected back to Airbnb. Look again to the top right corner. You should now see a profile icon or your initial, which means you're signed in. From here, you're all set to explore stays, save places you like, and manage your bookings. If you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're finished. Otherwise, enjoy browsing. Your new Airbnb account is ready to go.